how are you? It's done again, another episode of my vlog. Today I am producing mess, or let's just say I'm making a mess. I'm sewing a lot of mess. So this is already I already pre-cut them. Just like that. So I'm gonna show you how to do it the fastest way, or how you can make it faster. First I cut them all of them, so just like this is cut. Then the next thing I do is I put the straps on both ends, just like this one. Then I put them right side together, and this is how it's gonna look like if you put them right side together. Put the pins and stuff like that. I marked the one on the center, so it's not gonna be crooked when I sew them. Sew. Okay, so after that, this is what I do next. So I sewed all over here, and I leave an opening here on the side. So when I turn them over, it's gonna look like this. See that? You turn them over, then it's gonna look like that. As you notice, I'm using same materials for the front and back. Yeah, because I just like to do it that way. So there. The one that I'm making, this is, somebody asked me to do this, so yeah. And okay, so and when you sew them all together, I'm gonna show you a lighter fabric. Okay, so this is how it's gonna look. You sew them all the way. You sew the opening where you already closed them, and all the way here. And then after that, you will, my way anyway, so I fold them just like that. You see here? So this is gonna be the one on the nose with the style. That's gonna be the one that goes in the nose, and this is gonna be on the bottom where your chain goes. So just like that. Then so after that, you're gonna sew here. Let me show you. It's kind of hard for me to do it because I'm still holding the camera while I'm doing it. So let's see if I can do it while holding the camera. Yeah, it's really hard. Let me try it again. As you notice here, I always do this way, what is that, a 1/4 inch to sew. What I do is I'll do back stitch right away. Oops, oh, I'm sorry, I'm using the wrong thread. So alright guys, so as I said earlier, I do back stitch right away. Then I'm just gonna do this slowly. At the end, you do back stitch. just to make sure that they are tight. So if I have another one, darker materials like this, I would just go like, so what I do is just I sew them just like that. So I just continue sewing it that way. Then when I'm done with all of them, then I'm gonna do the other side. So that way, like, I'm not really wasting a lot of time. Then, and I'm doing it like bundles, or yeah, more than that. It just depends to how many I'm doing. So yeah, just like that, guys. So that's how I'm doing if I have a lot of already sewed mess. So but right now this is the only dark materials that I'm sewing. Okay, so there you go, guys. So, and I'm gonna do with the final step. Guys, I'm gonna show you my final step when I make masks. So I fold them together. So make sure when you fold them, this is gonna be on the outside. Some people do a little bit, try to twist it, so they're trying to make it like on the inside, but you know, it's up to you. But this is how I like it. So I make sure that this is, you see the nose that I'm saying earlier, I want it to be even. See that over there? Okay, so I make sure that they're even out, then I put some pins on them. Okay, just like that. I pin both sides. Then I open them like that. Then that's when I fold here. Put your pen, pins them. I'm just trying to do this slowly to show you guys how I do my mask. And you know what, this type of mask, or this style of mask, this is really good. This is really breathable. So everybody asked me to do this kind of mask. Yeah, so just like that.
Something has been in the car for a long time. I just pulled it out.
Okay, you see? Okay, let's put them together again to make sure that they are even. So I think they are just like that, guys. You see that? And they're shaping like a mask now. So I take these pins, the one that I put earlier, so I take them off, then open them up, and I'm gonna sew here and on this other side. So let's go with my sewing machine and try to sew it. I think I'm gonna take this out because my stand is on the way. I can't even do it like that. Okay, maybe I can do it. Okay, so Guys, you can see what I'm doing. So I start there, put my needle down, take one of the pin, just like what I do when I am sewing. I always do a back stitch first, so it's not so thick on the fabric or on the material that you're sewing. It's not so thick going back and forth, but I make sure that they're, you know, they're tight and strong. So okay, and I'm gonna do the other side. So okay, just like that. Okay, oops. Okay. Put your needle down, take your pins out from one end and put the freezer foot down, back stitch, then you just continue sewing. Make sure that when you're sewing, you try to take the other pins at the end. You don't want to sew them, because you know what's gonna happen, it's gonna break your needle. So ayan na, there you go guys. Then I'm just gonna take the threads that was left behind over here, yeah, just like that. Just stick everything, not really everything, but whatever thread that was like left behind when you sew, because when I sew them, I don't take the threads right away. You see, this is the one that's sticking out, because I try to take them when it's all done. So I just do it once. Okay guys, so there you go. Here is the mask. Let me take this out. Gosh, I have so much stuff here. What is this? Jeez. Okay guys, so ayan na, oh. Nakikita nyo naman, diba? It's, and this material is very pretty. I think the one that asked me to do this one is, she's gonna use this for Halloween. Like that. Some people also wear it this way, like that, over here, like that. Yeah, some people I saw them wearing it that way or making it that way, but it's not a problem, because you know, they're very nice. It's actually adds some texture when you do it this way. So yes, there you go. That's the inside and this is the outside. I'm gonna turn it over now. So yeah, and I have here the one that's already made, floral, very nice. Yeah, she gave me a lot of nice materials to make them. There. And I'm just gonna continue sewing. Okay, so I also have here a plain one. Here it is. I make a lot of plain. Somebody asked me to make plain to match their uniform, so yeah, there. So I'm gonna show you everything when I'm done on all of them. Yes, because I have a lot to do. I don't think I'm gonna show you what I have after.